Hey guys, I'm just showing you something that's something weird. Well, as you can see, this is a headphone. This is the headphone jack connecting to the old TV, and you can also use it for the computer. But unfortunately, I know the yellow thing is the video, but it does not connect the screen. It only connects the audio for some reason. But the weird part is that when I touch the headphone jack thingy, listen to the old TV sound. Like how? How does it make noises? Am I electrified or something? Hold on. Ah! Just got shocked. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, make some noises. I don't know, how is that possible? Okay, let's try this. Okay, even let me try doing it on my phone. Yeah, it just makes some noises for some reason. Yeah, so that's why it does not. I don't know how is that possible. So let's just end this short.